Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my delicious 5-layer nacho dip. I'm currently at the cottage and we love to snack when we're here. It's just super relaxing on vacation and it's summer and snacking is where it's at. So this dip is delicious, it's healthy, and it is just so satisfying. High in protein, no sugar. It makes it a really good choice to snack on. So the first layer we're going to do is just a can of black beans. I just washed, so it's unsalted black beans. So we're going to do that as the first part of the layer. The second part is cream cheese. So this is just 250 mils of cream cheese. So I'm gonna add that into here. So just 1 cup approximately, and just smooth it over the beans. So this one, it's a little bit of a harder thing to do. It kind of mixes with the beans, but we just wanna get like a smooth layer. The next thing I'm going to add is some salsa. This is just fresh pico de gallo salsa. You can honestly choose whatever kind of salsa you like. I'm just gonna smooth that. It's the next layer. This is gonna taste so good, guys. This is amazing. And then the next thing is sour cream, and I mixed just like a half a teaspoon of chipotle in it to give it like a more of a Mexican tasting flavor. Smooth that over the salsa. Okay, so we only have 2 more things to add. So I'm gonna top it with some just grated cheddar cheese. So just top that there. And then on the top, I just like to add a fresh layer of avocado. So this is just fresh sliced avocado. So I just kind of like to layer it on there, and some cilantro to finish off the dip. Yeah, we'll sprinkle that cilantro on. I love cilantro, so I kind of like OD'd and cut up a ton of it. So we'll throw that on. And then I'm gonna finish off by just squeezing a 1/4 of a lime, just right over the whole dip, just to give it that nice flavor. And that's it, guys. We have our 5-layer dip. I can't wait to go share this with my family who's waiting over by the lake, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.